Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you back up your chats from your WhatsApp account on your Google Drive here. So how can you do that? You just have to go on your WhatsApp for this, and you just have to check one thing more, that if you have updated your WhatsApp latest version or not. And if not, then just go on your Google Play Store or App Store, just download your newest latest WhatsApp version on your mobile phone. uh, so after that, what do you have to do? The first step is you just have to open your WhatsApp from here, and you can see this is my home page here. And you just have to go on the three dots on the top of the screen when you click it, and we have to go on the settings option here. When you click on setting, there is a second option like chats here. Just click on chats, and after that we have to go on the chat backup on the last second option here. Click on the chat backup, and you can see there is an option and there is a pop-up called backup. Just click on it, and it will be backup to your Google Drive right now. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe this channel if you liked.